Hey everybody. So I was checking through my analytics and it seems that 87% of my views come from people who were not subscribed. So if you want to help the channel out and you like the content, click the subscribe button, click the bell notification, and you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Hey everybody, welcome back. We're getting back to work on the neck and we're going to start shaping it up. Alright, so we got our trusted calipers out, and what I'm going to do is take the original neck, the original Ovation neck, and get some measurements off of this so I can transfer it to my neck blank. So we're going to start out with the headstock thickness, 650 thousandths. Go to the heel, which is 740 thousandths. About the first fret, which is 600 thousandths. About the 16th fret, which is where the neck turns into the heel block, which is 700 thousandths. Alright, now to all those measurements that I took, because I took them without a fretboard on the neck, I want to measure my fretboard and I'm going to add that thickness to these measurements. And we have 200 thousandths. What I'm using here is a Shinto saw rasp. It's a great tool, can remove a lot of real estate in a short amount of time, and just seems a little less barbaric than a normal rasp. It also works really well for arm contours, belly cuts. Excellent tool. I do have to admit that my favorite neck shaping tools are the random orbital sander and cabinet scrapers. Love a good sharp cabinet scraper. Okay, so we're about halfway done with this. You can see, starting to round it over. I still need to put more of an angle here to give it that C shape. I want it to come in at an angle towards the binding, but really not feeling that well right now. So I'm gonna bring this one to an end. What none of you guys know is I'm a type 1 diabetic with an insulin pump, and my blood sugar feels dangerously low right at the moment. So I gotta run inside and grab something to eat and go rest for a little while. So I will see you in the next video. You guys behave yourself.